Hi everyone, in front of me is LG Q6 and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now we have to find the general option. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. And here we have to find the build number, which probably will be in the software version, software info. And as you can see, here we've got the build number. So all you have to do right now is simply keep tapping on it until you see that you're in the developer mode. Now we have to go back and we have to find the developer options, which fortunately appear just above the About Phone. So let's tap on it. Okay, here we've got the warning that turning on developer options might result in irregular behavior in your device. It is because those options are advanced. So just tap on OK and be careful with customizing the developer options. So as you can see here, we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, here we can show layout bounds, we can show touch data, we can show visual feedback for touches. So in order to turn on the feature, all you have to do is simply tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see, it is immediately activated and applied. Obviously you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on the switcher again. If you can see the options without the switcher, for example like here in the USB configuration, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you are done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off just by tapping on this switcher at the very top, and as you can see they are inactive. Most of them actually are inactive, and after getting back they should disappear. Let's check if they will disappear after totally turning on the settings. Let's check. Actually not. So as you can see in this model, they do not disappear, but probably after restarting it, they will just be turned off completely. Obviously, if you would like to customize them again, just tap on them, tap on OK, and tap on the switcher to turn them on. So actually this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your LG Q6. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.